One of the cooler Explorers I've had. Alright guys, how y'all doing? I hope you can see me. We're back with another one. As you can see, we're outside and we're in the trail. What are we doing on this trail? Well, right behind you leads to an abandoned airplane. I don't have all the facts right now, but in the video, when I put it up, I will edit in some facts for you. But this is gonna be cool. I'm about an hour away from home here in Cartersville, Georgia. I appreciate y'all being here. Let's do this. Appreciate you guys coming along. Brings me a sense of comfort speaking with you when I'm by myself here. But see here, there's some old pipage here. Okay, so again, I don't have a ton of history on this plane. I believe it was a private jet of sorts. When we go in there, you'll be able to see. But the layout can still kind of be distinguished, but for the most part, this thing has been ransacked. But it's just so cool to find a dang abandoned plane. So I believe you get in back here. Oh, there is more pieces to the camp back here. I did not know that. There's a canoe. There's all types of stuff back here. About to enter this plane for the first time. There's the cockpit right there. Just bells and whistles everywhere. See some of the, maybe that was the gas gauge, who knows? Pedals. Turn around here. Still some remnants. Got the labels left over, which is cool. See all the compartments here where they kept food and cups and plates. And here, you can even look out the plane. But it's raining, so I don't want to be out there too long. Oh wow, look how cool this is. Probably like some emergency latch or something. It says remove red plug before insert. It's like some type of intercom system or AC deal. You know, a lot of kids be coming in here, partying in here at night. See the hornet's nest right there? This is a danger zone waiting to happen. So, some more of the plane. It's like some of the wing right here. That's crazy. A quarter of each wing is left. It's intense. Soon